Here is a recap for Monday, May 11th, 2020 for SIM, POE, and EDD at Nogales High School. All classes are continuing to work on their ePortfolio. The link from last week is still in Slack for the video on getting familiar with Wordpress. This will help you as it has an explanation of pages, posts, and categories. You should continue to organize your site, making sure that all of the text is in your words. Continue updating the links and make sure they work. Many of you didn't submit a link to your site on the Slack channel for your class. Please remedy this as soon as possible and verify that the link you were submitting is not the one for the admin. To check this, have someone at your house visit the link. Everyone must review at least 3 sites by other students in your class. Your review should be a minimum of 1 paragraph for each website. Start each review by listing the author and the URL or the address of their site, and then write your observations and turn it in on Google Classroom for credit. Now for computer integrated manufacturing. Last week was catch up. Hopefully those of you that needed a little extra time to catch up used it wisely. This week we're going to be getting back into the PLTW Learning Management System, and we're going to be working on model 2.3.5. We're going to be creating toolpaths for milling it. The instructional video should be available Tuesday afternoon. You can check for it on YouTube. Principles of Engineering. You will be doing some more coding this week, but at vr.vex.com. Go through all the tutorials. This should take about an hour. Once you have gone through the tutorials and feel comfortable, you need to work out how to draw the words cat, dog, boy, and girl one at a time, and then take a screen capture to submit for points. For extra credit, you can draw your name. Engineering design and development. You're going to continue using asynchronous communication with your groups as you work on your final project. There was a second option introduced this morning, so here are the 2 options that you have available right now. The first one still is the same. You need to create a promotional commercial that's 30 seconds to a minute long. It requires a script and storyboards. The second is a deep dive analysis video. This is different from the video that you made for the distance education observation. It should include both hand and computer sketches. You need to organize your research data and graphs, as well as the projections of where and how you think it could be marketed. It should be 5 to 20 minutes long. That's the recap for Monday, May 11th, 2020. Stay safe, have fun, and be organized.